Namaskaram. Welcome back. Let us continue to worship Sri Rajarajeshwari through the verses of Adi Shankaracharya's Sri Rajarajeshwari Mantra Matrikastavam. We move along to the third syllable, the third aksharam in the Panchadashakshari Mantram, to the syllable E. Please join me. Let us chant. ईहाधिक परयोगी वृन्दविदितां स्वानन्दभूतां परां पश्यन्तीं तनुमध्यमां विलसिनीं श्रीवैखरीरूपिणीम् आत्मानात्मविचारिणीं विवरगां विद्यां त्रिबीजात्मिकां श्रीचक्रप्रिय बिन्दुतर्पणपरां श्रीराजराजेश्वरीं श्रीराजराजेश्वरीं श्रीराजराजेश्वरी. The meaning? Salutations to Goddess Sri Rajarajeshwari, who is revered by yogis immersed in spiritual discipline, who herself is the embodiment of absolute bliss, who manifests in the subtle Madhyama and Pashyanti forms of sound, as well as the graceful physical speech, Vaikhari, who constantly reflects on and radiates the bliss of the true self, who opens the way to wisdom and is herself pure knowledge in three forms, Vaikhari, Madhyama and Pashyanti, who delights in Sri Chakra worship and is absorbed in the offering at its central Bindu, who is the Supreme Queen, Sri Rajarajeshwari.